Very shy. Timid.
The new student was timid and didn't talk to anyone.
Very friendly. Amiable.
The host was amiable and welcoming to all the guests.
Very tired. Fed up.
She was fed up with waiting in the long line.
Obese. Very fat.
The doctor warned him about the health risks of being obese.
Very thin. Skinny.
The model was known for being skinny.
Very busy. Swamped.
She was swamped with work all day long.
Very lazy. Idle.
He spent the entire day idle, doing nothing productive.
Very tall. Towering.
The skyscrapers were towering over the city.
Very young. Youthful.
Despite her age, she has a youthful appearance.
Very short. Brief.
The meeting was brief and to the point.
Very old. Ancient.
The ruins are ancient and hold historical significance.
Very expensive. Costly.
The repairs to the car were quite costly.
Very cheap. Inexpensive.
The meal was delicious and surprisingly inexpensive.
Very warm. Toasty.
The fireplace made the room feel toasty and comfortable.
Very mean. Cruel.
The villain in the movie was extremely cruel. Very nice. Kind. She is known for being kind to everyone she meets. Very crowded. Packed. The stadium was packed for the big game.
Very thirsty. Parched. After hiking all day, I was parched and needed water. Very weak. Frail. The elderly man became frail after his illness. Very strong. Powerful. He has powerful arms from years of weightlifting. Very stupid. Foolish. It was foolish to go hiking without enough water. Very smart. Intelligent. She is one of the most intelligent students in the class. Very poor. Impoverished. Many people in the area live in impoverished conditions. Very rich. Wealthy. The businessman is incredibly wealthy. Very slow. Sluggish. The internet was so sluggish it took forever to load pages. Very fast. Rapid. The athlete ran at a rapid pace to win the race. Very funny. Hilarious. The comedian's jokes were hilarious. Very calm. Serene. The lake was serene and peaceful in the early morning. Very ugly. Hideous. The sweater was so hideous, no one wanted to wear it. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. The sunset over the ocean was absolutely gorgeous. Very difficult. Arduous. Climbing the mountain was an arduous journey. Very easy. Effortless. She made the task look effortless. Very quiet. Silent. The library was completely silent as students studied. Very loud. Deafening. The music at the concert was deafening. Very bright. Dazzling. The stage lights were dazzling and hard to look at. Very important. Crucial. It's crucial to arrive on time for the meeting. Very dirty. Filthy. The floors were filthy after the storm. Very clean. Spotless. The house was spotless after they finished cleaning. Very hot. Scorching. The desert heat was scorching during midday. Very cold. Freezing. The temperature outside is freezing. You'll need a thick coat. Very bad. Awful. The food tasted awful and no one wanted to eat it. Very good. Excellent. You did an excellent job on the project. Very small. Tiny. The puppy was so tiny it could fit in your hand. Very big. Enormous. The mansion they bought is enormous. Very sad. Heartbroken. She felt heartbroken when she lost her pet. Very happy. Elated? It was elated after receiving the job offer. Very angry. Furious. She was furious when she found out someone broke her phone. Very tired. Exhausted. After running the marathon, he was completely exhausted. Very hungry. Starving? I am starving after the long day at work. Very scared. Terrified. She was terrified of the loud thunderstorm. Very brave. Courageous. The firefighter was courageous as he saved the child. Very loud person. Boisterous. The crowd became boisterous during the game. Very careful. Cautious. She was cautious when crossing the busy street. Very dirty, mess. Grimy. The windows were grimy after years of neglect. Very colorful. Vibrant. The garden was filled with vibrant flowers. Very boring. Dull. The lecture was so dull that students started falling asleep. Very funny in a clever way. Witty. His witty jokes always made everyone laugh. Very
Pungent.
strong taste or smell. The pungent smell of garlic filled the kitchen. Very confused. Perplexed. She was perplexed by the complicated instructions. Very wet. Soaked. He got soaked when he forgot his umbrella in the rain.